All right, guys, Ronnie here. We back. Look what we got here. A lime green Hellcat SRT.
All right, boys, we back. We got another Hellcat, baby.
Hold on, what can you say about this thing? What can you say? What? Real? Real wide body. All right, let's try this thing out real quick. Let's try this thing out. As you can tell,
We're missing some pieces.
we're missing some pieces.
It looks like this has RT wheels on it.
Huh. Cool, let's try that interior. Whoa, we got the red guts.
Red guts with red key.
Red key. Here's the damage. It ain't that bad. It's just a little fender. What's she doing there?
We're just ironed out the damage.
I ain't done the damage, huh? Let's see a little supercharger. She hiding under there. There she is. Yeah, she does that. She does that. But we'll show y'all more of the car once we get back home. We got a 10-hour drive back home. Ronnie actually came with me. It's like,
We need to come see this thing. SRT Ray has been gone for a minute, bro. SRT Ronnie back in.
yeah, that's right. Well, we'll catch y'all guys later. We'll show you the car later.
You missing some straps, no?
No. That's how we do all our cars. One strap it is.
I guess.
It's strapped. 10-hour drive home. DOT won't say nothing. And it's actually DOT inspection this week.
Dude, we're SRT certified now. It don't matter.
Oh. Hey,
Excuse me.
we got a Hellcat on the back. Yeah.
Yo, they like it. They like it.
know. What was you saying just now?
I just discovered it's not even green.
It's not even green.
Look at this. Yo, they scammed me.
They scammed you. No way.
Oh my god. No.
All right, guys, we already got the Cadillac, the Hellcat. The Hellcat unwrapped, as you can tell. There's some lime green parts. We actually got my boy Daylon over here. Daylon, where you at? There he is.
We got a cat in the house. Purchased it. How much you get it for, boy? 20,000 wild cash, boy. We don't play around over here.
That's right. You know a lot about these cars, right?
Hellcat red guts. Programmed the red key just now. Check
That's
it
right.
out.
That's right.
Let me show them that.
Show him that red key. Show him that red key.
I just programmed it.
Hold on. Let's see that. Wow. No, Daylon is you. That's Ronnie.
Oh,
That's
Ronnie's
right.
back. Y'all ain't see the previous video, ATSV. Check it out down below in the link in the comments.
Yeah, boy. What is this? This is previous Bonda?
Shantae unwrapped it.
Hey, dude.
Delirious.
Bro.
Quarter.
You got scammed, I think. Scammed.
We're about to crash out. All right, now we finna be checking the oil.
Let's check oil. Does she got oil?
Bro, that oil lot brand new in there.
It brand new. How many miles this thing got? 7,000?
7,400 miles original.
Wow.
2021.
2021. Over there.
He's gonna pull it out, attach the chain with the strut tower. He's gonna hook it up to the tower itself, straighten it out
He gonna hook it up to the Tobinator, right?
to the accumulator, and he's gonna get it right.
Oh.
All right, so Ronnie on Facebook, he went on, he searched up Atlanta Facebook, and he found wheels for 400 cash.
400. 400.
And then
That's him right there.
we're gonna do Hellcat wheels on it, and then he's gonna go to Atlanta and get the front end parts.
That's
for it.
right. That's right. And interior parts. Dash, he gonna get it for how much? 30 or 300? What was it?
I think 330 minus 30. That equals out to 300 cash.
Yeah. Okay.
Moving along to the interior, we got red guts all around, red panels, red seats.
That's right.
We even got the red badge on the dash, boy.
The red badge right there. The red right here. Nah, this interior real nice and clean, you know. Real nice and clean, as you can tell. Yeah. Hold on. Look what else we got. We got starlights in here.
Yo, we're gonna have to shoot it, start it up and show them out what's going on.
That's right. That's right. We'll show you on the next one.
Jump box, Ronnie.
Ronnie, come on.
All right, guys, we're about to start the cat. It's got the coolant in there, so we're about to fire it up with the red key.
Start her up. Wow.
We got the YN Hellcat. Subscribe, baby.
Oh yeah. This thing running real good. Woo!
This is good. We're gonna get a new front bumper. We got one headlight in the trunk. We're gonna get aftermarket. Be the cheapest way possible with the aftermarket on eBay. All right, and then over here we're gonna have to get the fender suspension whacked out of place. We're gonna have to get the whole knee assembly. Ronnie's gonna order it from the junkyard from the auto parts.
Go.
Windshield, ooh, that hurt my skin, but boy, the windshield needs a replacement.
Wow.
Man,
That hurted it. That hurted it.
dashboard, we already said, we calculated the price $300 in Atlanta. And
That's
then
right.
Gonna fix up this Bondo on the door.
Just a little dent.
Shoot the fender, blend over here. Get a new hood, Atlanta Special ATL. Blend it over here. The top
What you doing? What you doing? You think this thing got shot up? Shot up? That's why it got bonded? Oh yeah. We don't need none of that rasher stuff. Get that out of here. So what's this crap? Oh, there he goes. Gone.
All right, so for the ATS, we're not YNs anymore, so I'm gonna speak English.
Put your shirt on. Put your shirt on.
Moving along, we got the parts for it. Ordered a rear bumper from, I think, Days Auto Parts up in Missouri. They're shipping that out on eBay via freight. We got a side skirt from Turlock. Again, shout out to Turlocks, my boys on Exit 22. Quarter panel, shout out to Baller Auto Parts. Taillight, they also hooking us up and the rest of the interior. So that's all we need for this rebuild. Quick and easy rebuild. It seems to be good on the suspension. We're gonna get it knocked out, and there's gonna be a next video on the ATS-V. Oh, we also find out a bunch of mods, so stay tuned. It's on E85, making 600 wheel horsepower with the intake, supercharger, and everything combined, boy.
You guys enjoyed this clip, the part 1 of this Hellcat. We're gonna have a part 2. If you enjoyed this and you want to see more content of this, of it getting rebuilt and ripped, stay tuned for part 2. Subscribe, drop a like, comment, whatever you need to do. Do all that to help us out, help yourself out, help me help you, all of that sort of stuff. Stay tuned for part 2 and more parts to come of this. See ya.
What happened?